I've climbed the Manitou Incline dozens of times. My personal best is around 37 minutes. Today, I'm using it as an elevation training benchmark, but don't let the simplicity fool you. 2,000 vertical feet in under a mile is a serious safety risk if you aren't prepared. I'm Kristen, and this is Unstoppable Outside.
Oh, I gotta hit start. Okay.
Starting at 6,500 feet, the incline gains 2,000 feet of elevation in just 0.9 miles. For local athletes, it's an incredible leg and lung workout. For casual tourists, the combination of sheer grade and thin air catches people off guard fast.
Oh my god, the elevation is killing me.
Even after spending the last month traveling above 5,000 feet, sea level lungs feel the hit immediately. People collapse up here, and medical evacuations aren't rare. Earlier this season, someone tragically lost their life on these stairs. Respecting the effort is mandatory.
Turtle. Things we do for fun.
And the mental game is half the battle. Midway up, you hit the infamous false summit, which wrecks a lot of people mentally.
That's the false summit. Yeah. Let's see what we just did 4 more times. 5 more times.
When you realize you're only a fraction of the way through, you have to lock into a pace you can stay in without redlining.
We are just passing 1,200 steps. How many more to go? A lot.
If you do get over your head, there are multiple escape routes to hit the Barr Trail. There's zero shame in taking it if your body is giving out.
Yeah. All right, girl, you're crushing it. I'll see you up there.
For training, I like breaking the route into chunks. Counting down the hundreds helps keep the mind off the lactate buildup in your quads. And when fatigue sets in, shifting biomechanics helps distribute the work across different muscle groups. Switching to lateral steps gives your quads a brief breather while recruiting your outer hips and glutes.
Hey, no more. Whew. Come on, baby.
You go walking sideways.
Yeah, I'm using different muscle groups.
Wait, which one?
And inductor, abductors. This is just quads. Yeah, like right now I'm doing 50 on each side. And then I'll do 50 probably just quads. Yeah. Thank you. About 400 to go. Already passed my previous PR, so strength did not help me up here at altitude. That's okay. Still doing it. Getting there. Looking forward to being done. Okay. To the top. Just under 45 minutes.
I didn't beat my 37-minute PR today, but hitting under 45 minutes gives me a solid baseline metric for where my altitude conditioning stands. Instead of running back down the stairs, which can be really hard on the knees and calves, I'm taking the 3-mile loop back down Barr Trail with my friend Amy, who crushed the incline today, and another friend we met along the way. Having company is the best part of putting in the work. Thanks for joining me this week as I took on the incline. Until next time, stay safe, stay unstoppable, and I'll see you outside.